Hello everyone! In this video I show you how to clean the inside of a Canon 24105 f4 L IS USM lens. Recently I had this lens which had dust inside. I had to remove the front lens element, clean the lens inside, then assemble the lens. In this video I show you how I did that. As you zoom in and out, the lens collects dust inside. Mostly the dust is between the front lens and the second lens element. Fortunately, it is very easy to remove the front lens, so complete disassembly is not required. So in this video I show you how to remove the front lens, clean the lens inside, and then assemble the lens. Before I will start, let me talk about the tools that I will use to clean the lens. For disassembly and assembly I will use a PH30 screwdriver, a metal tweezers, a suction cup, and a permanent marker. For cleaning the lens I will use an air pump, a brush, microfiber cloth, and lens cleaning fluid. For checking lens elements, I will use a flashlight. If you're interested in buying them, then the links are in the description below. I hope this video will be useful, helpful, informative, and adds value to you. If that's the case, like this video, subscribe to my channel, send me a donation, or buy a camera or lens from my webshop. Links in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. And in the description there's an update section. If I have anything to add to this video after it has been posted, then I put it there. So I would highly recommend to check it. So let's get started. This is the lens which will be cleaned. It's hard to see in the video, but there are some dust behind the front lens element. Use the tweezers to lift up the front lens cover. It is adhered to the lens. The front lens is calibrated, so use a marker to mark the position of the front lens element. When assembled, the front lens element should be at the same position. Remove the screws. Use a suction cup to lift up the front lens element. Remove the insulation ring. Let's start the cleaning with the brush and an air pump. Clean the lens barrel inside by holding lens downwards. Check the surface of the lens element with the flashlight. In this case it was completely clean, so I don't have to clean it with the lens cleaning fluid. Continue with cleaning the front lens element. Clean the side of the front lens element with a brush and an air pump. Check the surface with a flashlight. In this case there are still dust on the surface, so I clean it with the lens cleaning fluid and microfiber cloth. Check the surface again with the flashlight. I clean it again with an air pump. The front lens is completely clean, so I put it back using a suction cup. Put back the isolation ring. Clean the lens with an air pump. Put back the front lens element and align the marks. Put back the screws. Finally, clean the front lens element with cleaning fluid and microfiber cloth. Adhere the front lens cover, then push it with the microfiber cloth to make sure it is adhered well on the lens. We are done with cleaning the lens. I hope this video was helpful, useful, informative and added value to you. If that's the case, then please like this video, subscribe to my channel, send me a donation, or buy a camera or lens from my eBay webshop. The link is in the description below. If you have anything to add to this video, then share it in the comment section below. So thank you very much for watching, and looking forward to meet you in one of my other videos.